Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of the Sonos Ace. To do this, you firstly need to power your Ace headphones on. You will also need a USB-C cable that is connected to a power source on the other end. I am using a power bank here, but a wall outlet or similar will work just as fine. Now we start by locating the power button on the left ear cup. What we then need to do is to push down the power button, and then while we are holding the power button pushed down, quickly insert the USB-C cable into the port next to the power button. But then keep holding the power button pushed down. When the little LED light starts flashing white, we can then, while still holding the power button, remove the USB-C cable and then finally let go of the power button. When the reset process is completed, the headphones will then automatically enter pairing mode and start blinking with a blue light. From here, they are then ready to be connected to any device or set up again through the Sonos app. Alright, please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!